tutorial on how to place an order on Temu. How to place an order on Temu. Step by step. Intro. Are you new to Temu and want to know how to place your first order? In this video, I'll guide you step by step. Step 1. Open the Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Search for a product. Use the search bar at the top to find the product you want. You can also browse through categories or check today's deals. Step 3. Select the product. Tap on the product you like. Here you can see the details, reviews, sizes, and colors. Make sure to choose the right options before adding it to your cart. Step 4. Add to cart. Once you're ready, tap on Add to cart. If you want to buy more items, continue shopping and repeat the process. Step 5. Go to cart. When done, tap on the cart icon at the top right. Review your items carefully and check the quantity, size, and color. Step 6. Proceed to checkout. Click on Checkout. Now enter your shipping address and make sure it's correct. Step 7. Choose payment method. Select your payment option like debit card, credit card, or PayPal. Then tap Place Order. Step 8. Order confirmation. After placing the order, you'll see a confirmation screen and also get an email with your order details. Outro. And that's it. That's how you can easily place an order on Temu. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.